Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the secret hidden room in natural disaster survival on Roblox. So I'm just going to play this game. I'm a little bit lagging right now. I'm just going to select I'm ready, and you're just going to go to the middle here, and you're just going to select the ground, and you're going to go underneath this room. And the best part is that you can click and view the disasters on the in the room here. So for instance, they're in Sunny Ranch, you can select the natural disaster. I don't think you can control it, I'm not sure, but you can see the natural disasters in the map here. So yeah, that is pretty much the secret room. There's also some other stuff here. There's this Roblox studio logo and whatnot. But yeah, that is the secret room in natural disaster survival on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.